Hello, this is Rajesh Gurule. Today's tool is something that can be used for evaluating your sales executive, your marketing executive, or your entire team, even those people who are not in sales, to evaluate the involvement they are having in your company. Now, we are going to restrict our discussion with respect to sales and marketing team. So, today's tool is company knowledge test. Okay. Now, this is the tool that I have developed because many people started telling me that we are not able to give good presentation. We are not having that conviction when we are talking to our customers. So, how they will get that conviction? To answer that, I have devised this particular tool. There are 10 tests in company knowledge test series that we will be looking at. But before going further, let me tell you why this tool is or why this tool should be used by every builder and developer or every real estate company. This tool is essential to evaluate your teams or your executives' knowledge about your company, the company they are representing, the company they are working with, the company they are selling. What happens is, many times when you as an owner of the company or as a promoter or founder of the company, when you talk about some project, you talk very differently. When your executive is presenting the same information, he or she speaks very differently. Now, I want to ask you why that disparity is there. The sole reason is you have complete or maximum knowledge about your own company. You have details of when you started this company, how the company grew to this level today, what is happening in almost every department in your company, what are your principles, what are the things that you are never going to compromise, the quality you are offering. When your executive is giving the same presentation, he is not having that information backup, which makes him very what I would say superficial. It makes him look superficial when he is talking about company's vision, company's mission, or about anything that comes when it comes to company. That should not happen, because I want each and every sales presentation, each and every marketing presentation to be at the same level, whether the company owner, founder, director is doing that or the sales executive is doing that. We can do that by making your salespeople know more and more details about your company. I'm not talking about your confidential details. I'm not talking about your financial details. I'm not talking about your patents or your patented processes. All I'm talking about the information that is very common, but many times it is not known by your sales executives or your marketing executives. So this company knowledge test, this series you can use for your new hires also, probably 1 or 2 tests, so that you can judge how much homework they did before coming to work for your company. You can use this while taking decisions about promotions or appraisals based on what kind of what kind of marks they obtained in this test, because that shows how much involved they are. You can take this test on consistent basis. As I said, I have prepared 10 tests in this, so it's very easy for you to do all these 10 tests. Another area where when you are launching new projects, you can take this test for your entire team so that they will have that confidence, they will have that conviction when they are saying ki, we provide best quality. So they should be able to back up that with confidence and conviction, and not at a very superficial level. I want that confidence to come from inside, and that comes when you are having thorough knowledge about your company's quality principle, your company's vision, your company's other areas which are not related to you, or which are not related to sales and marketing. So what are these 10 tests? One is about company's history. One test is about company's history, where we evaluate what knowledge they are having about your company, when it is founded, where the initial days, how company grew to this level. Another is about company's future plans. I want each and every executive to understand this and to focus on this also, because as company grows, your team grows, and we want to make sure that they know that company is growing and they are going to grow with the company. About the founders. In real estate, what happens, every customer at least wish to meet the founder or the owner of the project, because that kind of trust they get once they meet you. So your team must be aware about the founders. So we are having one test on company founders. Next is about company's previous projects, company's current projects, and company's future projects. So this could be, a set of multiple tests in and of itself. What they know about other projects, what they know about previous projects, that is tested in this particular test. Another test I have is about your team members. If you are having more than one sales executive, then this test is going to be very important. We don't want that unhealthy competition. We want that healthy competition. Of course, contest and all those things are there. We want everybody to achieve their targets and exceed those targets. But at the same time, we want them to work as a team within sales and marketing department, but with other departments also. For example, telemarketing department, for example, finance department is there, construction people are there. So we want all of them to work as a team, and this particular test will check them what kind of knowledge they are having about their team members. Another test we are having about sales policies. There are certain things, we call them do's and don'ts. For example, never give false promises. Never promise something that you are not able to offer, or you are not able to do for your customers. Never, cheat customers. So these are, very at the top level policies, but you might be having certain things. For example, never accept any cash from your customers. Always take payments in white. So these are the things that we want to check how much knowledge your sales and marketing team is having. Just like you are having in sales certain policies, you must be having marketing policies. We want your team to check their knowledge about those marketing policies also. If there are any do's and don'ts apart from these sales policies and marketing policies with respect to their job, then they should know that. So another test we are having on that. Project specific tests that we have already discussed. So all these are various tests that I have prepared. These tests are ready for you. All you have to do is once you get this, you have to take one either printout. You have to take printout of one test, customize it if you want, take the printout again, and Give it to each and every sales executive of yours, and you will come to know what kind of involvement they are having. This can help you in understanding how long they are going to stay with you also. The more involved a person is, the longer he or she will stay with you. So these are our various test package that we are having. I would strongly recommend you get this package and start using this in your company. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to get in touch with me or my team. I wish you all the best, and I wish you all the best for to your sales and marketing team also. Have a great day.